If you're selling on Amazon Merch, you probably know the two biggest challenges: making designs fast and keeping them unique. Kittl just solved both problems with Nano Banana in flows. And for a limited time, all paid users get unlimited design generations. So let me first show you the interface of Kittl. Now you got all the different options right here: explore templates, try smartboards, generate images, restyle images. Then you got some tutorials right here. We got the recent projects and we got templates right here. And these are specifically for me as a POD seller, because when you sign up, you answer some questions, and when you say you're a POD seller, these templates will look like this. So when you find a template that's interesting for you, you can just go with your mouse over the template and click on Use Template. Then it will open a new page, and here we go. You got the template. Now the cool thing about these templates is the fact that you can totally customize these. So for example, let's select this one. You got some options right here, but the most important button for us is this button that says Add Smartboard. So let's click that. Now let's zoom out a bit. Now to zoom out, you just click right here, and then you can press and hold on your keyboard. On the Mac, it's the Option or the Command button. And I think on Windows, it's quite similar. Then we can zoom out a bit. Now let's just click the Smartboard again. And then you can just describe your variation with a prompt. And this prompt can be very simple, and you can write it in natural language. So let's just write, instead of soul, write gut. Then you also got the option to enhance the prompt right here on this button. It's kind of like this magic prompt from Ideogram, but right now we just leave it like that and hit generate right here. And it just starts generating, and you can see the countdown timer right here. And it's done. Here we go. Yeah, nice. As you can see, the style coherence is really high. Yeah, it's basically the same style. You got the same font right here for gut, and you get a comprehensive design, which is amazing. Now we got this design right here, and now I want the font to be black with the white outline. So what we do is we click the image right here and click on this little arrow right here. So it adds a new smartboard, and then we just write, make the font black and the outline white. So let's hit generate right here, and it's regenerating. Yeah, and here we go. Let's put this in the middle. Yeah, trust your gut, trust your gut. So with this simple prompt, it kept the style and inverted the colors. So to go back, you just click on this K right here, and here we go. Now I want to show you how to start a new project from scratch. So what you do is you just click this big button that says new project, and here we go. Now it opens this window right here, and you can choose between a few templates. What we do now is we enter the Amazon Merch resolution right here. So it's 4500 by 5400, and then you just click this create button, and here we go. Now let's zoom out a bit. Then we just click this artboard right here. Now it's a regular artboard, but we want a smart artboard. So you just click add smartboard right here, and here we go. Now we can do all the AI stuff. Image model is Nano Banana, and we can put in the prompt right here in this prompt box. And for this demo, we use a very simple prompt that says, generate a gaming t-shirt design with the phrase, can't hear you, I'm gaming. Now let's first copy this prompt and hit generate. Now it's generating. Now let's click the artboard again, then add a smartboard. Okay, here we go. Yeah, we got the design with the mockup. So let's click it again and remove the t-shirt in the prompt and generate again. And for our other design, we just click it and paste the prompt and click on enhance prompt. Now the first one is already done. So let's generate the second one right here. And let's take a look at the first one. Yeah, nice. Can't hear you, I'm gaming. Looks really cool. Yeah, the second one is already done. And the design is nice, but we also get the mockup. So let's click it and let's remove the t-shirt and generate it again. Yep, here we go. Can't hear you, I'm gaming. Nice. Let's see both of these designs. So this is the version without the enhanced prompt. When you click it, you can see this very simple prompt. And this is the version with the enhanced prompt. It's right here on the right. And when you compare the styles, they are quite similar. I actually prefer this one. So if you want to export this image right here, you just click it. And then you click on convert to image. And here we go. Then you got all the different options for this image. You can reframe it, remove the background, vectorize it, or even upscale it. or you can just download it right here with this button. Now let me show you the next cool thing. So here we are in Flying Research on the bestsellers tab. And now I want to model a design that's a proven seller. We don't want to copy this design, but we want to model it. So let's just pick this banana squad design. So because we are using Nano Banana as the AI image model, we have to generate a banana design. And let's pick this one, banana squad. So you just click this button right here, download, and we open a new project in Kittl. And I just found out that you can just click on print on demand and click on merge by Amazon t-shirt right here. And it's got the perfect resolution. So let's just choose that and click create. Here we go. Okay, then it gives you all these templates right here, but right now we don't want that. So we just drag and drop our image right here and boom, here we go. Now it's a bit small, let's make this bigger and zoom out a bit. And let's just put this into the frame so that you can't see white parts anymore. Yeah, just like this. Just like you would put it in an artboard. So just leave a bit of space at the top and at the left and at the right. And then we just select the whole image and click on add smartboard. And we just use a very simple prompt, make this an apple. And we can hit generate. And now it's generating. Yeah, boom, here we go. Apple squad. And as you can see, it looks exactly like our original design. But instead of the banana, we got the apple. And it even changed the word right here, apple squad. That's amazing. So let's select it again and click on add smartboard. And let's write make this a pair. And we let it generate. And boom, here we go, pair squad. So if you compare these images, it's amazing. It's got exact the same style. In the past, you had to pay a lot of money for these illustrations. And now just generate these in seconds. Well, that's just amazing. Now I added some more smartboards right here. And these smartboards are connected to our original image, banana squad. Now I want this to be a grape. Let's hit generate. And I want this to be an orange. Make this an orange and hit generate. And it's generating and here we go. Grape squad, amazing. And yeah, banana squad, no, that's not right. So you just click it and then generate again. And here we go, orange squad. Now let's take a look. Well, you can't even tell what the original image was. So you can go even further. Let's zoom in right here and click this apple right here. Add a smartboard. And then we can say instead of dabbing, it should show the peace sign. So let's just hit generate and let's see. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, it's clearly showing the peace sign. And yeah, just like that, if you want to use this design, you can click this button, quick export. Then you can download it as a PNG. Or you can just click this button right here, convert to image, and remove the background, vectorize, or even upscale it. Now let me show you another cool trick. So let's start a new project right here, new project, and let's just enter the dimensions 5,000 by 5,000. So basically a square format. Here we go. Let's zoom out a bit. Then we create a new smartboard. So you click the artboard and add the smartboard so we can prompt. Now you want to generate a pattern. And for this demo, I also use a very simple prompt. It says create a funny apple pattern in a cartoon style. So let's just try that and click generate. And here we go. Yeah, nice. And as you saw before, we can add some more smartboards. So let's do that. Add smartboard. Just paste the prompt right here. And instead of apple, we want a pear. Hit generate. And here we go. Yeah, that's quite funny. And we want another one. So let's add a smartboard. And let's just enter banana, of course. And hit generate. And here we go. Yep. Yeah, crazy. So we got all these patterns right here. And let me show you. Let's convert this into an image right here. Boom. And when you put this image right here on the edge, you can see that it's seamless. And let's put this on the other edge. Yep, it fits. Or the bottom right here. Yeah, amazing. And we haven't even specified it in the prompt that we want a seamless pattern. So let's delete this again. Let's zoom out a bit. And if you want to regenerate an image, you just click it, of course, and then you can click this button. Or you can select all these images that you want to regenerate. Now it says 3 boards selected. Then you can just click this button right here, generate again, and it generates all the images that you selected. And we get the first one, the pear, the apple, and bananas. Yeah, pear looks interesting. Convert to image and it's seamless. Yeah, amazing. Now, why would you even want patterns? Let me just show you. So here we are in the Amazon Create page, and let's just scroll down. Patterns don't work on these products, on regular apparel, but on these products right here. On pop sockets, phone cases, tote bags, throw pillows, and on tumblers. Patterns work really good on these products. And if you click this button right here, you can see that we already get the phone cases for the newest iPhone models. So if you generate patterns like this and upload them to the new cases for the new iPhones, it's a good opportunity to make a lot of sales with these new cases. So here we are back in Kittl. And if you got Creative Block, you can just click on this button right here, Explore Templates. And you get a lot of templates that you can just edit the same way as I just showed you. So you will basically never run out of ideas. Actually, let's try something fun. Let's choose this one, Stay Spooky. Use template and let's select it. Add smartboard. Now, of course, you know it's a Halloween design, but let's just enter make this Oktoberfest themed. Let's hit generate. Now let's see. Yeah, look at that. That's funny. Yeah, let's see them side by side. So we got the pumpkin right here and Stay Spooky with the ghost. And now the ghost is wearing lederhosen and it says post Oktoberfest. And instead of the pumpkin, we got the glass of beer. Yeah, that's amazing. So there you got your cross-stitching. So depending on when you watch this video, Kittl has a special promotion from September 29 to the 3rd of October, where all paid users get unlimited generations in Kittl Flow. So if you want to start right now, just click the link in the description and make sure to use the code DanielSYT so you get 25% off. Now if you want to see an awesome ChatGPT 5 and Ideogram hack, then check out this video right here.